Hi, I'm Victor D'Souza with Advanced Equipment Services. Today we are here at our Colorado Springs location where we build customized water treatment equipment. We have customers in the commercial and industrial sector, municipalities and resorts. We design our systems to resolve your particular water needs.
Our systems provide the reliability and durability required for industrial and commercial markets. Through remote monitoring and control, our systems can be managed from a single point anywhere in the world. Our truly containerized solutions are 100% modular, which provides the flexibility and scalability to grow your plant step by step as required. Advanced Equipment and Services Global provider of water treatment solutions. Contact us, we're here to solve your unique water need.